Hey you guys, if you're ready to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Alrighty, so I already used the Tarte Micellar water to cleanse my face. Next, I am going to go in with the First Aid moisturizing cream. I'm going to use this all over my face as to moisturize my skin. I like this moisturizer because it's very thick and it lasts all day. I use this as my regular skin routine. I use the cleanser as well, and it's very gentle. It's good for sensitive skin as well. I like this because it doesn't have like a dry, greasy feeling afterwards, and my skin feels great. So if you guys have really dry skin and you don't want that dry feeling after you wash your face or put moisturizer on your face and it still feels dry, this is something that will be great for you. Oh yeah, and it doesn't have any scent to it. Next, I'm gonna go on with this incredible Glow Girl cream. It's really good. It's like a holographic cream that I put on as a base underneath my foundation to make it look like I have a sun-kissed glow. I like this. It's very thick. I just slap this all over my face and just rub it in. Next, I'm gonna go on with the MAC Prep and Prime primer. I've never used this. I got this in my Ipsy subscription, so I'm glad that I got it so I can try it. I did like it. It has a color to it. So it's like a nude color, I guess, whatever, but it really works. Like, this stuff is really bomb. When I say my makeup adhered to it so good and it rubbed in or absorbed into my skin very well, I was really excited about this product, and I'm so glad that I got it in my Ipsy subscription. I think I may add this to my makeup bag. Alright, so I'm going to go on with this LA Pro concealer in this shade Peach. I'm just going to apply this underneath my eyes, on my nose, my lip, and my cheeks, just to hide the hyperpigmentation on my skin. And I'm going to take a wet sponge, beauty sponge, and I'm going to just, blend it all out. Alrighty, so I'm going to take this Bare Minerals setting spray that I got in my Ipsy bag, and I'm just going to spray this all over my face. You see how hard that first spray came out? Like, geez Louise. Then I'm going to go in with my Wonder Brow Gel in the shade Darkest Brown. Y'all know this is my favorite stuff to use. You slap this on and it does not come off, baby. Like, this is like a tattoo that cannot be removed, honey. I'm serious. Like, this stuff is the bomb. Like, I love this stuff. Alrighty, so I'm going to go in with my Tarte foundation, Amazonian Clay in the shade Rich Honey, and I'm going to use this as a concealer. My foundation is full coverage, so it's going to cover everything, but I'm just going to take a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to sculpt out my eyebrows. This prevents me from having that halo around my eyebrows. For some reason, I could not understand how I can prevent this from happening, but one day I was just like, let me try my foundation as a concealer to sculpt out my eyebrows, and voila, like, it worked like a champ. So this is going to be my new go-to now. Thanks, Tarte. You guys are awesome. I love your foundations and stuff like that. So I'm going to use this just to sculpt out my eyebrows. You guys should try it too, and just let me know in the comments below how it worked out for you. Alrighty, so next I'm going to go back in with my Tarte foundation, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. Alrighty, so next I'm going to go in with this setting powder that I got from Sally's. It was like I had ran out of setting powder, so I needed to get some like spare the moment type thing in an emergency. So I am just going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to use this all over my face to set my foundation. I really do like this setting powder. This setting powder did not crease. It kept my foundation looking fresh all day. I did have a little bit of a flashback though, but other than that, the setting powder was pretty cool. So next I'm going to take my concealer, and I want to take the shade 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. I'm just going to apply this underneath my eyes and in my T-zone as my highlight, and I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend it out. Next, I'm going to go in with my LA Color setting powder in the shade medium. I'm just going to apply this underneath my eyes and in my T-zone area. This step is called baking. Next, I'm going to go in with this makeup palette that I got in my Ipsy bag. I thought the colors were pretty, so why not use them? So I was using that brown, and for some reason it would not show up on my skin, so I just said to hell with it, let me just keep on going. So I just kept trying to blend in as much as I possibly can. I really didn't see a difference in anything, but I mean, it turned a little matte, I guess, or whatever. So next I'm going to go in with this pink color, and I'm just going to apply this on the inner part of my lid. Alrighty, so next I'm going to go back into that brown color, and I'm just going to pop this in the corner and blend the two colors together to smoke it out a little bit. Alrighty, so next I am going to take a big fat fluffy brush, and I'm just going to dust off all of the setting powder. Alright, so next I'm going to take this eyeliner as a felt tip, and I'm just going to line my eyelids. Next I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier Candlelight Glow in the shade 6, and I'm just going to use this as my contour. To set my contours, I'm just going to carve out my face and warm back up my face. I love this stuff. Laura Mercier knows what they're doing when they come out with a good product. So y'all noticed that my eyes started hurting because the product was falling in my eyes, but I'm not supposed to be doing these tutorials, but I do them anyway for you guys. But yeah, I'm just going to keep carving out my face, honey. I'm warming back up this face, give my face some warmth to it, honey. Carve for the gods. If you don't feel like your face is not snatched enough, keep sculpting, honey. Keep sculpting. Just keep going. And I swear, whenever you feel like you've done enough, don't stop there. Keep going. Next, I'm going to go in with this Revlon High Definition Mascara, and I'm just going to apply this to my eyelashes. I do not wear falsies. So, well, I can't wear falsies right now because of what's going on with my eyes. So, I'm really not even supposed to be wearing mascara, but I do anyway. I just make sure that I take it off very well. But, yeah, so I'm just applying this to my eyelash just to, you know, lengthen my natural eyelashes. Next, I am going to take my Lancome setting spray, fix it and forget it. Next, I'm going to go back into that same palette. I'm going to use that gold shimmery color, and I'm just going to apply this as a highlighter. First, I'm going to take that same Lancome setting spray, and I'm going to dip my brush back into that gold color, and I'm just going to apply this as a highlighter. Next, I'm going to take that same gold eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply this underneath my brow bone. Next, I'm going to go on with this Ofra blush, cheek blush in the shade Melon, and I'm going to apply this on my cheeks. I applied too much at first, and when you do something like that, you just go back over it with your foundation brush, and you just go over it. I applied entirely way too much. I'm not a big blush person, but yeah, I applied too much and it was way too pink. So yeah, that was entirely too much. So I'm going back in with my foundation brush that I use for my setting powder, and I'm just going to go over that as much as I can to my liking. So you guys, we do mess up too, and this is like something that, you know, you can do for yourself when you do put on entirely too much blush. Next, I'm going to take this lip gloss that I got in my Ipsy bag called Prickly Pear. I'm just going to apply this on my lips. I like this lip gloss. It's nice and thick, and it's a cute lip gloss. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with my setting spray. Lancome Fix It Forget It, and I'm just going to spray this all over my face, honey. I'm going to spray for the gods, honey. I love this setting spray. Alrighty, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. This is the final look. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have anything that you want to ask me, please comment below. If any of these tricks or anything works for you, also let me know below. And I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye.